In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Miro Board. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused mood board ready to guide your project and share with collaborators. Start by opening Miro and creating a new board. Click New Board, then give it a clear, descriptive name like Brand Mood Board, April 2026. This space is your visual workspace, so a specific title helps you and your team find it quickly later. Next, set up a frame to define your mood board area. Select the frame tool and resize it to the canvas size you prefer. Think of a frame like the borders of a slide or poster. It keeps everything contained. Rename the frame to something meaningful, such as mood board concepts, so navigation stays simple if you add more frames later. Before dropping in visuals, define your theme. Decide on the overall style, maybe minimalist, bold, luxury, or playful, the color direction, and the target audience. Add a small text box on the board where you briefly describe the vibe. This quick note keeps decisions aligned as you build. Now add images and inspiration. Drag and drop files from your computer, paste visuals directly from websites, or use Miro's built-in image search. Pull in a variety of elements that tell your story: photos, graphics, UI designs, and even standout social media posts. Aim for high-quality assets so everything looks crisp as you arrange and zoom. Build your color palette by inserting shapes or sticky notes and filling them with your brand colors. A neat row of swatches helps maintain consistency across the board and makes color choices obvious at a glance. Add fonts and typography ideas next. Upload font samples or screenshots and place text examples for headlines and captions. Show how type scales, pairs, and feels in context to make later design decisions easier. Organize your layout by grouping related elements into clear sections: images, colors, fonts, and broader inspiration. Keep spacing balanced and leave breathing room so each idea has space to shine. Add notes and labels to explain choices. Briefly write why certain visuals made the cut and tag them with keywords like modern, soft aesthetic, or high contrast. These cues make your direction understandable to anyone viewing the board. Refine the board by removing anything off theme. Keep only strong, consistent visuals. Less is more. Clarity beats volume. Finally, share and collaborate. Invite your team or client, request feedback, and make revisions directly on the board. With that, your Miro mood board is complete and ready to guide your next creative steps.